Hello my loves! Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello girl and welcome to my channel. My name is Anne and I'm here helping you guys to become the best version of yourself. So if you are passionate with makeup, please do consider subscribing to my channel because I do upload beauty videos 3 times a week. So in today's Tricky Friday, I will be sharing more information about dry and sensitive skin type because Miss Liza requested for me to do this video after I posted my video about oily and combination skin. So thank you so much Miss Liza for requesting me to do this video kasi gusto ko talagang mag-share sa inyo ng more information about your specific skin type kasi as makeup lovers, ito yung ating canvas. So, it's very important for us to know more information about our specific skin type para mas makapili tayo ng mga products na mag-work sa ating skin. So, with that being said, let us start this video by defining what is dry skin. So, dry skin, guys, means that your body is not producing enough oil to moisturize your body. And as I said on my last video, oil is very important on our skin because it is responsible in making our skin soft, supple, or flexible, and it also acts as a lubricant on our skin. So, very important talaga siya sa ating skin. So, since your body is not producing too much oil, kailangan na malaman ninyo yung mga dapat nyo gawin para maalagaan ninyo ang inyong specific skin type. So, here are the characteristics that you guys need to assess para malaman nyo kung meron ba talaga kayong dry skin. So, the first characteristic is the appearance of your pores is invisible or hindi siya masyadong visible kapag meron kayong dry skin. Secondly, your skin feels a little bit tight, especially after showering, bathing, or swimming. The next characteristic is you have less elasticity on your skin since your body is not producing enough oil. And that causes cracks and visible lines on your skin. Makikita niyo din sa surface ng inyong skin na mayroong redness, flaking, peeling sa inyong skin. And yung itsura guys ng skin niyo looks dull or walang buhay and it also feels a little bit rough. So those are the characteristics of having dry skin. So kung lahat yun may check, di ibig sabihin, meron ka talagang dry skin. So, with that being said, since nalaman na natin kung ano yung itsura ng pagkakaroon ng dry skin, let me now discuss with you guys the causes on why our skin is drying out. So, the first cause of having drier skin type is yung ating weather condition. So, pag sobrang malamig at sobrang mainit yung panahon, guys, it can cause our skin to dry out. Secondly, maybe you are taking too long sa showers or sa paliligo, and that is also one of the major causes of having dry skin. The third thing that causes our skin to dry out is when you are using harsh soaps or cleansing agents and detergents. So, marami guys soaps na popular, mga detergents, and then shampoos that really strips off yung moisture ng ating skin kasi na sobrang harsh yung kanyang ingredients. And they are formulated to remove the oil on our skin. So, isa yun talaga sa mga major causes kung bakit nagiging dry ang inyong skin kasi gumagamit kayong sobrang harsh na mga soaps and mga cleaning agents. And lastly is the other skin conditions. Like for example, kung meron kayong mga skin diseases like eczema, dermatitis, kung meron din kayong skin asthma katulad ko, isa siya sa mga causes kung bakit nagda-dry out ang inyong skin. So, since nalaman na natin yung mga probable cause kung bakit nagda-dry out yung ating skin, let me now share with you guys the tips that you can do if you have drier skin type. So, the first step that I can give you guys if you have drier skin type is for you to use the right cleansing products on your skin. As I said on my last video, cleansing is very important to make our skin look healthier and para mas maging maganda yung kanyang appearance and para ma-prevent din natin yung mga breakouts sa ating skin. But it's also very important that you are using the right products that is suitable for your specific skin type. So, since bawal kayong gumamit ng mga harsh soaps, maghanap kayo ng mga products na more moisturizing and hydrating katulad ng mga cleansing creams, yung mga gentle na cleansing agents, or yung mga toners, and bath gels para mas maprotektahan ninyo ang inyong skin. The next step that I can give you guys is to limit your water exposure kasi nga isa sa mga causes ng pagkakaroon ng dry skin is taking long baths and showers, diba? Nasabi ko kanina. Because it's really stripping off the moisture on our skin, especially if you have drier skin type. So, ano ba yung dapat nyo gawin? Kailangan daw 10 minutes and below lang yung time ninyo sa pagligo ninyo, and do not use very hot water. Pwede kayo yung warm water lang. And lastly, try not to bathe more than once a day. Kasi nga, kung frequent kayong naliligo, mga siguro 3 beses kayo sa isang araw maligo, guys, talagang mawawala yung natural or yung pinuproduce ng body natin na oil. So, the next step that I can give you guys is to exfoliate your skin 1 to 3 times a week. Kasi yung exfoliation can help in removing the dead skin cells on your skin, especially na, sabi ko nga kanina, marami kayong pagbabalat kapag meron kayong dry skin. So, makakatulong siya. And make sure that when you are exfoliating na yung gagamitin nyo is yung mga gentle lang na exfoliator. So, marami tayong mga DIYs na mga pang-exfoliate, diba, sa internet. Yung isa sa mga na-research ko dati and ginamit ko dati is yung minix ko yung sugar and then honey. And maganda siya sa skin kasi nakaka-moisturize yung honey and antibacterial din siya, so makaka-prevent ng breakout, and it also helps in removing the dry patches on your skin. You can also use a toner, kasi sabi ko last week, kung meron kayong dry skin, medyo iwasan nyo yung toner, pero meron namang mga toner na specific sa inyong skin type. So, make sure lang ninyo na gentle yung inyong toner. It doesn't contain alcohol because alcohol dries out skin. And look for hyaluronic acid in the toners that you are going to use. Kasi yung hyaluronic acid, it's a powerful moisture binding ingredient that is used on our toners or skincare that helps our skin look more plump and hydrated. So, kapag meron kayong drier skin, yun yung dapat nyo hanapin sa ingredient or sa list ng ingredients ng inyong toner. The next step that I can give you guys is to moisturize your skin. Kasi yung moisturizer, it seals the water on our skin and it keeps our skin hydrated. So, it's very important talaga na gumamit kayo ng moisturizer, especially if you have very dry skin or sensitive skin. Kasi makakatulong siya guys sa appearance ng inyong skin. So, I highly recommend for you guys to use cream moisturizers instead of yung lotion, yung consistency. Kasi yung mga creams, it is thicker in consistency and it's more hydrating. I also would recommend for you guys to use serums and oils in your skincare routine before you apply your moisturizer. But make sure na meron siyang mga hydrating nutrients like vitamin E kasi makakatulong yun para matreat or matanggal yung mga dry patches sa inyong skin or yung pagbabalat sa inyong skin. The next step that I can give you guys is for you to use hydrating primers, especially if you have drier skin type. Look for yung ingredient na dimeticone sa inyong primers. Kasi dimeticone is a good sealer or barrier sa ating skin that protects your skin, especially if you have drier skin type, from harsher weather conditions. Since marami din kayong fine lines, it also helps in filling out your pores and your fine lines. So, magiging flawless tignan ang inyong makeup. It also improves yung inyong skin texture. Kasi nga, diba sabi ko, your skin looks dull and rough. So, makaka-improve or makakatulong yung ingredient na yun para ma-improve yung texture ninyo sa inyong skin. And it also acts as a protectant in wound healing and treatment para sa mga dry patches. So, I highly recommend for you guys if you have drier skin type na gumamit kayo ng primers with dimeticone. The next step that I can give you guys is to never use a brush in applying your face makeup, especially your foundations. Kasi usually kapag ina-apply natin yung product sa ating face using a brush, gumagamit tayo ng buffing motion. And yung buffing motion guys, it can create a micro-exfoliating effect sa ating skin which will make our foundations look uneven and patchy since marami na tayong dry patches. So, I highly recommend for you guys to just use your damp makeup sponge in applying your foundations para mas maging flawless siya tignan kasi hindi niya madidisturb ang inyong skin surface. The next step that you have to remember if you have drier skin type is to never use a silicone-based and mattifying makeup products. Kasi yung silicone-based, guys, na mga makeup, it clings onto your dry patches. So, mas lalong mahahalata ang inyong mga dry patches or flaking or yung pagbabalat sa inyong skin. So, never use a silicone-based na mga makeup products. And of course, yung mga mattifying na mga products, guys, it's not intended for your skin type. So, I highly recommend for you guys to use water-based and cream na mga makeup products because it will help in making your skin look more glowy and more luminous and mas magiging healthier tignan yung mga makeup products na yun sa inyo. Especially for foundations. Look for words like moisturizing, hydrating, glowy, luminous. Yun yung para sa inyo ng mga merong drier skin type. So, the foundation that I can highly recommend for you guys is yung L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow na foundation kasi napakaganda nun for people who has drier skin type. So, if you guys haven't watched my review on that, ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa card up here or sa description box below para mapanood nyo yun. The next step that I can give you guys is to not use too much powder on your skin. Yung powder, guys, it absorbs oil and moisture on our skin. So, para talaga siya sa merong mga oily na skin type. So, if ever you guys are using powders, hindi ba halatang halata yung itsura ng inyong mga pagbabalat sa inyong face, and that is because of that, nagiging matte kasi yung itsura ng mukha natin kapag sobrang daming powder yung nilagay natin. So, if ever you guys have combination skin, ilagay nyo lang yung inyong powder sa mga areas na sobrang mag-oil and huwag nyo nang lalagyan yung iba na hindi naman talaga oily. And if you guys wanted to set your concealers, pwede din naman para hindi mag-creasing, especially if you have fine lines under your eye area. Usually, yung mga concealers natin nag-crease siya sa lines. So, you can use powders on those areas but leave the other areas unpowdered para hindi masyadong mahalata yung mga dry patches sa inyong skin. The next step that I can give you guys is to apply highlighters on the highest points of your face because it will help in making your face look glowy and healthier. Kasi yung highlighters talaga, guys, intended siya for people who has drier skin. Kasi kapag glowy or luminous ang itsura ng ating skin, mas nagmumukha siyang healthy, hindi siya very flat. Ilagay niyo lang yung highlighters ninyo sa highest points na inyong cheek, sa nose bridge, and sa brow bone ninyo para magkaroon ng luminous glow ang inyong skin. The next step that I can give you guys is to use a hydrating mist and then setting sprays kasi it will help the powder products that you apply on your face to melt off into your skin and it will make a soft and glowy appearance. So, mas maigi na kung meron kayong drier skin type for you to use hydrating facial mist or setting sprays. And lastly, if you are trying new products, do not directly apply it on your face. So, kailangan mag-skin testing muna kayo, especially if you have sensitive skin as well. Kasi baka magkaroon ng irritation or allergic reaction sa inyong face. So, mas magkakaroon ng problema, hindi magandang tignan, lalo na sa mukha. Diba? So, paano ba yung pag-skin test? So, yung pag-skin test, guys, i-apply nyo muna yung product sa area ng inyong body. Usually, dito sa arm, kasi manipis yung ating skin dito, and i-assess niyo kung magkakaroon ng inflammation, redness, or any allergic reaction bago nyo i-apply sa inyong skin. So, that is it for our Tricky Friday for this week, guys. I hope that you learned a lot of things from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you guys will be notified every single time that I upload my new videos. And if you guys also have questions or topic suggestions, please don't hesitate to leave your comments at the comment box below or on my social media account. with the hashtag Tricky Friday para ma-discuss natin yan dito sa aking channel. And if you also have dry and sensitive skin, please answer the following questions. What skincare and makeup tips can you give for our fellow sisters who have drier skin type, and what products would you recommend for them to try? So that is it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know that I love you so much. Don't forget what I always say to you guys. Know that your dreams just be dreams. Make your dreams possible. And I will see you guys again on Monday. Bye, guys! Hello, my loves! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's Bedazzled Wednesday, I will be sharing with you how I created this sultry and smoky halo eyes that I created with the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. So if you wanted to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching.